Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be giving out a very vital information on how you can create a deep fake video, a full body fake video call. So just like what you saw on the beginning of this video, that's exactly what you are going to get. So in this video, I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide on how you can get that fake video call that you've been looking for. So you don't have to spend so much money in buying gaming laptop anymore. You can literally do this on your Windows laptop of your choice, any Windows laptop of your choice. So I'm just going to be giving out the powerful tools that you need. It's just two tools that you need. First, you need a powerful website that's going to enable you to do that. And secondly, you need a powerful software that you need to install on your PC that will enable you to capture your screen and play the video call. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, I don't know what you're still waiting for. You don't have to wait for validation anymore. Just smash the subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we're dropping awesome videos just like this. So guys, stick around on this and see you on the step by step. So before we begin our tutorial, I want you guys to smash on the subscribe button like I said earlier and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we're dropping awesome videos just like this. And also we have stunning videos here that you might find very interesting, So you can just scroll down and check around. We have free tips here that's going to change your life and going to help you in your daily life. So let's jump into this tutorial. The first thing that we need to do is to open a new tab. Opening a new tab now, we're going to search for a website called lucy.thecart.ai. So this is it now here. We're going to open it up. So once you open up this website, you're going to see that they have a lot of interesting things. Turn into anything in real time. That is the starting headline. Turn into anything in real time. So over here you can see videos that people are turning themselves into something different. You can see here, you can see this lady here turning herself into an Autobot. So what we're going to do here is to click on this start icon here. We're going to click on this start icon and you can literally see me on the video. Yes, you can see me on the video. So what we're going to do right now is to wait for this position in queue. So currently now I'm in Q5. So I'm actually going to wait for this to count down. So estimated time to wait is 1.53 seconds. So I'm going to wait for it to count down. After that, we can be able to start our video. Now the countdown is over. You can see that I have Albert Einstein with my hand gesture and everything I'm doing showing on that area. So what I'm going to do now is to upload an image. So I'm going to click on this upload area. I'm going to upload any image of my choice. Actually, I'm going to upload any image of my choice. So I'm going to go up and upload this Elon Musk image. So I'm going to upload this Elon Musk image. Automatically you can see that the image has changed and everything I'm doing here is literally Elon Musk. So I can go on full screen and do whatever I'm doing, raise my hand, see my background, and then go up and come down. So you see how it is. So another thing again on this platform is that have expiring time for your videos. I'm going to say, so they have expiring time for your videos. Yes, that's another thing on this website. So if you can see over here, you can see that my time is already running off. So once the time goes off, it's going to stop the session. So depending on how long you want to play your videos, you can see right now session completed and they've stopped it. So if I want to do again, I can do. If I don't want to do that anymore, I can just skip the area. So on my next video, I'll be teaching you guys how to connect this to your OBS so you can make a standard video call. It's very, very easy to do. You don't have to pay any money. You don't have to pay anybody any dime to get this done. So it's very, very, very easy for you to do it.